Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize experimentation frameworks with Optimizely detailed guide step by step clearly. To optimize experimentation frameworks using Optimizely, first, log in to your Optimizely account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Start by creating a new project tailored for your specific experimentation goals. Define your objectives clearly before proceeding. Next, set up your audience segmentation to target the right users. This ensures that your tests reach the appropriate demographic. After audience segmentation, create your experiment by selecting the type of test you want to run. Consider A/B tests for simple comparisons or multivariate tests for more complex variations. Now, define your variations within the experiment. Customize each variation to reflect the changes you want to test. As you build your variations, utilize the visual editor for easy adjustments. Next, configure the experiment settings to set your sample size and test duration. Set clear success metrics, which will guide your evaluation process later. Once your experiment is configured, preview it to ensure everything functions correctly. After confirming the setup, launch your experiment. Monitor initial results as data begins to come in. Regularly check your experiment's performance metrics on the dashboard. Evaluate the success of each variation against your predefined goals. Analyze user behavior and engagement metrics for deeper insights. If necessary, iterate on your experiment based on initial findings. Consider running follow-up tests to refine your approach further. Document lessons learned for future experimentation efforts. Lastly, share insights with your team to foster a culture of continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.